Hello and welcome. A few students are having trouble joining Zoom sessions on their Chromebook, so I'm going to do a quick video tutorial on how to join through your web browser. So when you click on that Zoom session link, it should take you to a page that looks like this, where it's only giving you the option to install from the Chrome Web Store, which you won't be able to do on your Chromebooks. But you do need to click on that link there, or that button that says Install from Chrome Web Store. It will open up a new tab. So this is where it gets a little tricky. Ignore everything on this page. We're not worried about what's going on this tab. But after we open this tab, if we go back to our original tab that says Launch Meeting Zoom, there should now be an option at the bottom that says if you cannot download or run the application, join from your web browser. Click on that link and that should take you right into the Zoom session. So to review that again, when you get to this page, you're going to click on Install from Chrome Web Store. It will open up a new tab. Ignore adding to Chrome. You don't need to add this to Chrome. Once you've opened up the new tab, it will then show a link on the original tab for you to join from your web browser. A little tricky, but hopefully that helped answer a few questions, and hopefully this will help get a few students able to join Zoom sessions. Thank you. Have a good day.